Welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful summer's day and we have a gorgeous Abarth 595 that's travelled quite a distance to us. It has travelled all the way from Ireland and it is a returning client of ours. So today we're going to take this Abarth on a really cool journey. We're going to take it to a Cambridge Horningsea level.
So we're back in the Fiat 500 and the boys have been cracking on with the sound deadening, so we're quite happy with how that's gone so far. So my next stage for me is to mount the board down properly and carpet, and then we'll be adding in our 10-inch slimline sub along with our 2 amplifiers and cable runs. What a project. It has been an absolute honour to work for this client yet again. A really great client, and our team have absolutely smashed it out the park. Today, for the rest of this video, I'm going to be going through spec, where everything's landed, and then we're going to be actually listening to the final results of this system, which are absolutely breathtaking. So to start with then, what our client was after on this particular vehicle was a stock look upgrade, basically, hardly anything on display. So we've gone for the Audison Voce. This is all out of the Audison Voce 2 range. Got tweeters on factory location, mid bases and 6.5-inch mid bases in either doors. Then we've got a coaxial in the rears, and this is in like the rear quarters. The rear Voce coaxials are actually really cool. You can actually run them as fully active. So we're using a 12-channel Audison Forza amplifier that's mounted on one side of the sub. Then we've got the other amplifier, which is the 1 channel which is driving the sub itself. The 12 channel is running a bridge system, running fully active everywhere, independent channels from that 12 channel running directly to individual components, giving you a ton of volume in this vehicle, but also that clarity and headroom, which makes a system sound a lot more natural. Headroom on an amplifier is really important. The more volume, the more power you've got, not necessarily about overall output, but it's about how natural that speaker sounds at lower volumes as well. Really, really impressive, and you're going to listen to this system with me. We've listened to it with the client already. He's got his ferry booked to go back to Ireland now. It is just bonkers in this thing. He absolutely loves it. The sub is again really cool. This is again out the Audison Voce 2 range. This is the 10-inch passive system running from that Forza 1 channel, which is kind of mounted on either side. We've got some fans mounted to them to make everything nice and cool. And then we've got a new floor that sits on top and basically gives a full access to boot space, a nice clean area to basically work within, load up everything you need to in the boot, and you've got a really nice stock look system. Then we've also got the Audison DRC AC controller, and we've preset to that to do sub-level control as well as memory selection, because part of the tuning side of things, what we've been able to do is give our client multiple different presets, central focus, driver focus, some different EQs to be able to play with and have kind of exactly what he wants. This is obviously a returning client of ours, so we kind of know from previous cars that we've done for him to how he wants it, and it sounds absolutely bonkers. We've also done a Kenwood head unit conversion at the top and some security upgrades for our client as well. This is giving better functionality for the head unit, like wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Also, obviously at the same time, then focusing on the sound with the sound deadening work that we've done with Ultimat as well as the Skins 3mm. It's just overall an absolutely bonkers system. So without further ado, let's jump inside this little monster and have a listen. And this is the moment you have all been waiting for. We're going to finally listen to the final results. Again, a huge shout out to our team for making this possible for our client, and also to our incredible client, yet again returning with another vehicle with another awesome sound system. And I'm sure he's going to love this just as much as the past ones we've done. You're going to be listening through, if my voice doesn't go weird, you're going to be listening up to this microphone here. I'll stop talking for a minute and we're just going to play a couple of tracks for you. And yeah, just sit back, relax and enjoy it.
I'm feeding angels on my move on, just move on. So deep, deep and low, not alright. Get no sleep, time so slow. Can't keep fighting. This will be free and I'm just on. We stretch time, we stretch life. We stretch time, we stretch life.
I mean, you can tell how incredible that system is to come out of this car. It's just phenomenal. The balancing that we've done with our tuning has made up quite nicely for kind of the lack of mid-range in the vehicle. It just cosmetically looks incredible. Obviously stock, it looks really, really nice in this vehicle, exactly in keeping with what our client was after. The huge amount of depth difference you have from that sub kicking so well, and the power delivery we've now got from that bridge fully active system is phenomenal. Really powerful system, and you can really feel that in kind of every note that's being played. So yeah, over the moon with the finished results. I'm sure our client is, but the client has to get back all the way to Ireland now, and then we'll probably see him on his next car. So see you on the next one.